Good day, guys. Today we're going to see about simple exercise in the fusion. So now here we going to create sketch and we take the front plane. Now we can take the 2-point rectangle to place here and get the dimension 95, the breadth 50. We give the enter. Now we give the finish sketch. We can extrude it for 10 mm. Can give the isometric view. Now we can fillet this fifteen dimension. Give finish sketch. We can fillet this edges also for that same dimension 15. Can give enter. Now we can give the front view and we can make the circle for 50 dia. We can set the center to get the circle for 50 dia. Now we can set the circle give as 50 dia and enter. Give finish sketch and we can cut these edges. Now again 50 dia. Give enter. Extrude this part. For 10 mm. Click the home button. Now keep it in front view and give create sketch. Now select a circle. Place it in a center and give the dia for 40. Check the line. It is in 15 mm. Make a center and give us 40. Give enter. Again give a circle. Place it in a center and give the diameter as 30 mm. Click enter. Click again the circle. Give it for 20 mm. Enter. Now click the home button. Now extrude it. Now extrude it for 20 mm. Click the front view. Create sketch. Click the circle button. Place it in the center. Now give it for 20 mm. Enter. Give finish sketch. The home button. Make it extrude the part for 15 mm. Give the enter. Now click the home button. Now click the front button. Click create sketch. Make line. Finish sketch. Extrude it. $20 mm and click the home button. Now make a fillet. Radius 20. Click OK. Now give two small circle at both that side. Click the circle. We have to check the line. Click the circle. Make the dimension for 5 mm. Click enter. Again click the circle. Make it 5 mm. Click enter. Now finish sketch. We can delete this line. Click the home button. We can cut this circle. Click OK. Now you can see the both circles are cutted. Now we design the final product of this image. We can give the appearance to it by what color we want. Now we can give green color to this spot, black color to this spot, and blue. We can give red to this spot. Can give yellow to this spot. Can give this color. We can give home page button. So we can close the appearance. Now we save this product. We can save it as exercise 1. Now we see the dimensions of this product. Can give projected view, and we projected this. We can give auto dimensions. Yeah. And finally, this is the product. We had great. Thank you.